Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Keem, and I'm excited that you guys decided to join me today. I'm going to show you guys today how I make my peach cobbler. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, share and share this with your friends and family. It's peach season, so let's get into it.
We're making peach cobbler today. I'm starting off by cooking frozen peaches with brown sugar and white sugar and some water and sauteing it in the pan. We let the peaches simmer for about 10 minutes until they get tender, but you don't want them to get too soft. While the peaches are cooking, we create a batter with self-rising flour, sugar, and water that we're going to add to the pie pans that are filled with melted butter. And finally, we add the cooked peaches to each pan. We will split the amount of peaches evenly between both pans. And once we fill each pan with a delicious and good amount of peaches, we then place it in the oven to bake. Oh, but wait. Before we place the pans in the oven, for that added special touch, we sprinkle ground cinnamon on top of each pan. And it'll bake right in and give it that wonderful, delicious aroma. And it'll look so pretty once it's finished cooking. And there it is. Quick, easy, delicious, and juicy peach cobbler.
Oh man, that cobbler. Mwah, it is delicious. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, and share this video. It's peach season, y'all. This is the best, I believe, starting in like July. Yeah, like July through September is peach season, so get into it. Get you some peaches. You can make fresh, you can get frozen. Make you some peach cobbler. Enjoy it with your friends and family. I know we're on lockdown, but enjoy the time we have, okay? So thanks again for coming and sharing in my space at Yummy Lifestyle by Keem. I love you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.